Closer, closer, closer than I ever been. Closer, closer, closer than I ever been. I just know we getting closer, 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 closer. I just know we getting closer, 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 closer than I ever been.
Yeah, I used to dream about showing the world what I dream about. Forget a mic, my whole life I thought it'd be the mount. I guess it's fitting how life threw me the curveball. Pops told me work till you make it, man, then work more. I guess I took that to heart, cause I've been working harder now than I did at the start. And I won't stop till I get to the top, till I can give all of my fam all the things that they want. But there ain't no doubt I continue to be the doubted. But that's just motivating, so where would I be without it? Cause the same people asking why you're doing it will ask you how you did it. So fuck a critic, stay committed to your vision. They can't see it, it's yours. The top floor looks forward, you can get in the doors. But it's crazy what you can see with your eyes closed. That's why I stay in my grind mode. I know I'm getting closer,
closer, closer than I ever been. Closer, closer, closer than I ever been. I just know we're getting closer, 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 closer. I just know we're getting closer, 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 closer than I ever been.
My whole life's been a chase, it's a gift and a curse. Was on my way up to the top and slipped into reverse.
Yep.
And the same thing I thought killed
what
me,
up, chat?
The real me. That's real shit. You gotta find what you love and let it kill you. Just gotta live with the will like Uncle Phil.
Good morning, everybody.
On the real, everybody go through times when the sun don't shine. Don't know when our time will come, but it will come in time. Cause yo, I said it first, ain't no telling where I'm headed. So this is for the people that was with me when I said it. And when I said it, I meant it, I swear I won't forget it. Told my family and my friends that I'm forever indebted. It's
closer, closer, closer than I ever been. Closer, closer, closer than I ever been. I just know we're getting closer, 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 closer. I just know we're getting closer, 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 closer than I ever been.
You start losing your mind when you're gone all the time, and you always on the move. And you try to remind yourself it's gonna be fine, and you're hoping that it's true. You start losing your mind when you're gone all the time, and you're always on the move.
All right. Morning, everyone. Welcome in, welcome in. W's in the chat.
Closer than I ever been. Closer, closer, closer than I ever been. I just know we're getting closer, 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 closer. I just know we're getting closer, 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 closer than I ever been. I just know we're getting closer.
All right, what's up, chat? What's up? How's everybody doing today? Welcome in, welcome in. Hope you guys are doing well. Hope y'all doing good, man. W, happy Wednesday. Hope you guys are well. Welcome in. W's in the chat on the way in. We got Motion here today. We got a Trade here today. We got OGH here today. We got Wall Street Sniper here today. We got LeGrand here today. We got Energy here today. Let's go. We got Motion, man. Dropout Traders in the house. What up, Dropout Traders? Z Gamer is in the house. Billy O'Neill. Zebs. What's good, man? Y'all hearing a bunch of 8-figure traders, man. I'm telling you. Just wait on it. What up, Nate G? What's good? What's good? Rob Trades in the building. What up, Rob? What up, Chala? What up, Ronnie? Richard Lewis in the house. What's good, Nathan? Energy 14 in the house. Let's go. What up, Xander? Dominic. What up, Dominic? Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening, everyone. Hope you guys are well. Good to be here with you all today. Yes, sir. Nikola Tesla in the building. What up, Nikola Tesla? What's good? How you guys doing, man? Good to be back. What up, AJ? Magnus in the building. What up, Magnus? What up, Scott Blackwood? 3 Ants. George Poe in the building. What up, Buzz Blab? Good morning, Andrew. What's good? What's good? Another future 8-figure trader right there. Stevie Mac. NG David. NG. The original Don Dada's here. All right. Rich White. What's good? What up? Louis G is back, man. Hey, Louis G, how you doing, bro? Big storm, huh? Big storm out in Texas. Yeet. You good, bro? All right, let's rock and roll. Let me I think I got Zoom set up already. Yeah, we're good with that. Let me move my chat. Good morning Zoom gang. Good morning everyone. Welcome in chat, by the way. Good to see you guys, man. Happy to be here. Let's get the day started. Let me just minimize this over here. Settle down like that. Okay. And yeah, we're ready to rock and roll. So let's go ahead and get the day started. Let's pray together, and we'll get the day rock and roll here. Father in heaven, Lord, we thank you, Lord. We thank you for a new day. We thank you that we can gather amongst each other, Father. I thank you for blessing us here, Lord, for giving us a vision in life and giving us a purpose in life, Lord. I pray that you would just fill your people with it in such great abundance, Lord, that they know exactly where they're going so they could be disciplined in the day-to-day, Lord. We thank you for it. We thank you for the bread in our boat today, Lord, regardless of any storm that has taken place, Lord. We know that you calm the storm. We know that you feed the 5,000. The bread is in the boat. So we thank you for the proof of it, Lord. And we just give you all the glory in Jesus' name. Amen. 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 Don't mind the storm. You're connected to the man who calms the storms, all right? All right. All right. All right. Let's get the party started here, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome in. As you guys settle in, give the stream a like here. We're going to begin. It is the 10th day of July, as you guys can see here. It is Wednesday, so we're midway through the week. It's been a great week so far. We're going to kind of start to get the ball rolling now as we approach Wednesday, and now Thursday tomorrow is going to really start to ramp things up with CPI, and then Friday we've got more big red folder news coming in. So let's go ahead and talk about today, and then we'll worry about Thursday, and we'll talk about Thursday on Thursday, and we'll talk about Friday on Friday. But today we just have something very simple here at 10 a.m. You're gonna have Pal speaking. Let me lower the music. Yeah. So we got Pal speaking again today here at 10 a.m. So we'll see what happens with all that. You also have some crude oil inventories coming in here a little bit later. That's going to be at 10:30, and that should be it. A couple like yellow folders and stuff like that throughout the tail end of the afternoon here today. But we should be long gone at that point. Probably by 10:30 or so we'll dip out here today. So we got the next couple hours together. Let's go ahead and make the best of it. Let's see what we can come up with here on the charts, and how we can, how I can serve you guys today, and how we can learn something. So let's go ahead and dive into the charts, and let's see what we got going on. If you guys haven't liked the stream, give the stream a like, and let's get ready to do a top-down analysis. I haven't looked at the charts yet today, so this is going to be my first time seeing it, and we'll see what we got here. Stephen B is in the house. All right, Stephen B. All right. What's the name of the track from the intro? What do we play? Closer by Mike Stud. All right, let's go ahead and get this party started. So let's do a top-down analysis here on gold, and let's see what we can come up with for today. So keep in mind, we're not really going to talk about the weekly too much. Just, understand that the weekly's just ranging, right? We know where we're at on the weekly time frame. We're just kind of in this range. We're more or less, towards the top of that range. So let's just focus on the daily and down here today, and kind of talk about this here. So when we look at this daily time frame, we notice that we did actually close bearish yesterday, or bullish, I'm sorry, creating some support. So these wick rejections kind of told a big story about price yesterday, about really, probably getting held up there, you know what I mean, where we kind of have been moving up, and you've pushed down, and you've attempted to 1, 2, 3, 4 attempts to break below there, and you just weren't able to do it. Yesterday we did break the previous daily low, but it was just like a pack runner and just kind of ran back up. And then now we have this lovely support level here, right around 2360 for price to potentially begin to move up here, right? So I am bullish based off of the daily candle here. One thing I do notice is that this daily candle does not have a bottom wick, so there's no bottom wick on the candle just yet. 85% of candles do have top and bottom wicks. So let me repeat that, 85%, not 100% of candles, but there's an 85% chance that we can come down and break that low there, you know, and actually make a bottom wick, and, you know, maybe then continue moving up. But all in all, I am bullish on the daily. We do have a target up here towards like 2390, and you do have a lot of range left to go there. So let's keep that in mind. I am open for buys here. I'm also open for sells to anticipate that wick being formed as you know, price says it should, probability says it should. So let's go ahead and jump down to the 4-hour chart here, and let's see what we can make sense of. So let's talk about it, right? So you have this candle here that basically just wicked up and down, right? That was your 9 a.m. candle yesterday. Yesterday was a bit choppy during our session, right? So 4-hour candle just, you know, all over the place. If you look left, right, there's a lot of chop to the left hand side. If we specifically right here, right, if I could draw your attention over here to the left hand side, you have a lot of chop, right? A lot of support formed. From that point, we began to push up. Right now we came back down, hitting that choppy area again. By the way, on the 4-hour, right, this zone over here is just all these wicks, right? That's all that is these wick rejections to the downside on the daily chart here. So keeping that in mind now, we know that that's a very strong zone here. So very, very strong zone sitting right here. Last time we kind of dabbled around here for a bit and made our way up, right? So I can definitely see us making our way up, as we have been so far. Now here comes the issue, is that support is here, all right? Support is sitting right here, but price is sitting right here. So we're pretty far from a support. It's been 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the 5th 4-hour candle here now without any pullback. So 4 bullish candles in a row essentially, right? So I would like to see possibly a new support, man. But my thing is here also is we did close above, right? We did close above. So what does that look like? Well, I would like to see a better bottom wick. A better bottom wick would give us a support on the lower time frame, right? So if we come down and create a steeper bottom wick here, we may retap this area here at 2368 and then begin to move up, right? So what does that look like on the lower time frames? That just looks like price coming down, right, creating support, and then us taking an onion play, right, some sort of a playbook position off of that move there. So let's go ahead and take a look at the 1 hour now, so we can see if we can anticipate this happening, what it can look like and where it would kind of move down to. So looking at the 1 hour here, yeah, so buys are a bit choppy right now, very bad, not a bit, very choppy here. So we can see here on the 1 hour chart that you are clearly rejecting the top side currently, right? We did create a support right here. So that is the break of the 4-hour low, I believe. Yeah, that's our 4-hour lows right there. So if we do push down, right, where can we push down to? So you have an area of resistance right here where price may want to push down to create support. That would give our 4-hour candle an actual bottom wick, right? And then possibly begin to come back up now, just like I explained on the 4-hour chart here. And then once that support is formed, and as long as it's above this level here at 69, everything looks good to continue up and at least come back up into these highs, right? I don't know about all that, but at least come back into the highs. So we'll see if we can get that. Again, there's also no bottom wick on the 1 hour candle here. So let's move our support up to 2371. Let's go ahead and open up the 30-minute chart here and let's see what we got here. So we've been moving up quite a bit. It's no surprise that we're consolidating now. We are bullish, right? We still do have lots of room to go, but we do need to either create support or range, right? So currently it looks like price has chose to range. So that's what we're doing now, right? So we've got a range here. Let's go ahead and mark up that resistance here. Boom. At 2374. Let's take a quick look at the 15-minute just to see how things line up, and that looks good to me. So that looks good to me. So I'm looking to potentially take sells below, anticipating the daily the 4-hour candle coming down to make a steeper bottom wick, right, somewhere down into 67 there. Let's go take a look at 67. Yeah, perfect. That lines up exactly with all this clean traffic to the left. So that'll be my target there on shorts. And then in terms of buys here, everything looks pretty clean up until about 79, right? Almost 80 here. Mainly I'm looking at this wick fill. Also on the 15, it looks pretty solid here to continue up. You've got clean traffic to the left. You've also got this wick right around this area too. So I would use this 79 area as a target here today, and probably gonna look something like that. So yeah, perfect. So we've got price surrounded. We have our bias. We know that the 4-hour breaks the highs above 74. That's what we're going to look to, get into our buys to target that wick fill and then potentially move up towards 90. And then we also know that if the 4-hour candle breaks the lows here, that's where we're sitting and waiting for a setup, like a breakout or something like that, below this range here after we get some sort of a nice candle closure, right? So that is that's the day. Pretty simple here, right? Pretty simple. I'm gonna hold it down here on the 15-minute time frame for just a little bit, and then we'll see where we're at. We got a closure here in 9 seconds, so looks like we're gonna close within the range here for 7:15. But we are rolling into pre-New York. We should have some volume coming in here pretty soon, and we're here. We'll be ready for it. So that's the day. That is the day here, ladies and gents. That's the hard work. Boom. Let's clone it. Bam. That's my story, and I'm sticking to it. Pretty simple. Pretty simple. So it should be a simple day here today. We'll just wait. Those of you guys that are hunters, you guys are fishers, you gotta wait, man. You gotta wait. Patience is a virtue, man. All right, cool. Yeah, nice and simple. Nice and simple. Now, here comes the hard part. Here comes the hard part. So this is the work. And this, by the way, this is the work here, right? And the work is easy. Now, the hard part becomes waiting, right? We've set up. Now it's time to wait, right? And that's where most traders absolutely blow it. So I'm going to stay away from this range here today. This is going to be a no trade range for me. I'm going to look to take potential buys up until 80 here, and sells are very clean down towards like 67. So that's my day for the most part here. Yep. Patience, man. This is where people blow it. This is where people blow it. Remember, in the game of trading, almost anyone can make money, but only the successful traders can keep the money, right? So it's one thing to take good trades and make good money. It's another thing to actually keep it. So understand that that is one of the biggest pieces of this game, is actually keeping the money. That's one of the big pieces that most traders can't do. So if you can, operate in a way where you have assembled a plan, like 1 to 2 trades a day, and whatever it is, right? Or I'm only going to risk X amount, right? This is why we keep rules in our trading. This is why we keep systems in our trading, to save us from us, right? It's to save me from me. You guys remember I showed you all my blown accounts, 20, what was it, like 24, 27, something like that? That's me. Right? What you've been seeing of me here is the playbook. It's really not me. It's just me operating within the playbook. So understand that the rules are to keep you in line, right? Keep you profitable and keep you from not giving that money back to the markets. Hey, man, we just pulled off a very successful heist. We're all back in the van, about to take our mask off, and one of us says, well, we left that other bag there, right? We've already got bags of money. Well, we left that small bag. Maybe we should go back and get it. Come on, man. I'm out, man. I'm leaving you. I'm leaving you, man. Right? That's why I see some days we take a really good trade here on the stream, and typically I'm done, right? I'm done. I'm moving on with my day. But then I see, hey, Nick, I took this and it didn't work, and it's like, man, you had the heist, bro. You walked out with the money, dude. Why'd you go back in? The market's dangerous. Yeah, man. Yep. LeGrand, a figure trader. What up, Josh? Jess? Let's go, Wags. Purpose. What's up, Pete the G? All right, everyone's coming in here now. W. Simple setup. Yeah, simple stuff today. Do we need to place a stop loss in the tournament? I don't think so. No, I think the only rules are the drawdown rules. That's it. How you guys making out? By the way, the link is out for you guys to enter into the free tryout. All right. If you haven't entered yet, don't worry about it. Less is more in this game. You know, let those other guys trade a little longer. If your strategy is to trade on the last day, do it. Yeah, man, let's do it. The challenge link is going to be hit exclamation point comp in the chat, in the chit chat. When the resistance price is at now not valid, or is it just personal preference? This one here, yeah, it's personal preference. I don't want to take a buy here because we may reject, right? Keep in mind, you know, the 1 hour has been boom, 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 rejecting like crazy in this area here. So I don't want to take a buy until we actually get a closure above. The 15-minute may do it depending on, you know, when that happens. We're rolling into pre-New York here, so we should begin to get some volume coming in, but yeah, everything is personal preference. Everything, nothing I do is this is the right way to do things, right? Everything is personal preference. That's trading in general, by the way, right? There is no right or wrong. Used that daily prayer, yeah. The prayer was lovely this morning. Do I trade Asian? I do. I took a trade in Asian session last night. I took 2 trades off stream. Looks like some of you guys caught the same trades we were chatting about in the Discord. 2 trades off stream during the day yesterday, and then we had 1 trade. I took 1 trade in Asian session. Oh, man. Thank you, Robert Nelson. Thank you so much. I only use MT4 to place trades on, and then, yeah, and analyze on TradingView. That's what I used to do. When I used to have MetaTrader, I would literally do everything on TradingView. I'd only go to MT5 or MT4 for execution. That was it. That's what I do now. Right, you guys only see me go over to these future. You don't even see me mark them up, really. You just see me go over there and execute them, and then I go back over here, right? And there's a reason why I do that. You know, a lot of you guys, you take your trade and then you stare, like you don't blink, like you stare at the floating P&L. How many of you guys do that, right? And that's what makes you make decisions, right? Like human emotional based decisions on your trade. So that's why a lot of times when you see me in a trade, I'm never looking at P&L. I'm never looking at anything like that. I'm always back on this chart. This was something I picked up and started doing a while ago, back when I was doing that too, right? I was looking at the P&L, and you know, in some cases, you know, there's trades where I take and, you know, the money's not real. I'm like, whatever, it's $200, blah, blah, blah. I'll let it run, right? I don't want to do that. I want to close when things need to be closed, and I don't want to let money, whether a lot or not enough, dictate my actions in this video game that we're playing, right? Pretty much, that's what we're doing here. So yeah, so that's a little tip for some of you guys. If you guys are really like caught up on, you know, getting emotional by seeing your trade. You guys also know we used to have like the pip counter and all that, and I don't care about any of that stuff anymore. I want to let trades play out to how I envision them playing out, and then I don't care what the end result is. The end result is I'm getting better at pattern recognition. I'm getting better at trade management, and overall that will make me a multi-millionaire and be able to support my family, give to where I want to give, build where I want to build, and have me, set up for the life of my dreams. So that's what I'm focused on right now. The money and all that stuff is great, but that stuff just comes naturally. Yeah, don't look at the P&L. I'm staring at you, Nick. I'm staring at your username. Why you guys all staring at me right now? I can feel you guys. Whoa. When I get small profit, I get out. Yeah, that's what I mean. That's what I mean. And I say this all the time, but it's like, let's say $100 is a lot of money to me, but it's not a lot to you. And we're in this trade, and we know that, okay, we took this buy position here, right? And we're waiting for it to get to target. And it gets there, and I'm like, yippee doo-dah, yippity day, right? And you're like, nah, I'm only up $100, right? I'm going to keep holding this. But the trade's not calling for you to keep holding it, right? It's calling for price to tap into this target and then, maybe come back down, right? So where you're like, that's not a lot of money, you made a stupid decision, right? Because you left it on the table. So you blew the bag there. Whereas if, it could be the other way around too, where you're like, you get into this buy position, same thing, right? And right here, you're up $100, right? As you're breaking the highs, and you close that position because you think, man, $100 is so much money. I need that, right? Meanwhile, this trade is about to fly. So you can't let money and stuff dictate the decisions that you make on the desk, man. This is a job, right? This is a game. This is a business. Like, whatever you want to tailor it to in your mind, you need to fix your mind on really falling in love with the process and the actual systemized approach to the game. Guilt. Yo, Stephen B. Stop looking at me like that, bro. Multi Williams. Yeah. Who's gonna be a Willionaire? Fade on the 1 hour? Nah, nothing here nothing for me right now. Nothing yet. I'm about to take a 1 hour bathroom break at work. Just yeah. Sometimes, hey, I read these things. I don't finish them. So it's pretty funny sometimes. What up, Diego? Diago? What's up, man? Hope you're doing good. I move stops to B too soon, always get stopped out, and then trade runs. I'm struggling to hold my trades. Any advice? Yeah, just the advice I just gave, right there. Let the markets tell you what to do. The market will tell you what to do. Notice how you have a bunch of wicks in this area. This may be where you want to go break even, right? Or where you want to close partials here if we get into buys somewhere around these ranges, right? Because this is where you may reject and bounce off of this area, right? There's also zones over here. So this is a good zone to make a decision. It doesn't have to be close partials. It could just be maybe go break even. It doesn't even have to be break even. It could be, to move your stop loss a little bit and adjust your stop. Let's say your stops are here, right? And your trade looks like this, and move your stops from here to here, right? You don't have to go break even. You just want to keep these areas in mind because these are the areas in which you as the trader have to make decisions, right? And it doesn't matter which decision you make, just understand the areas in which are decision-making areas, where if you're targeting up here, this trade can possibly run into some turbulence right around 77 there. So, I think do make your decisions based off of what you see in the market, not what you feel like, oh, I'm up 10 pips or, oh, I'm up $100 or whatever it is. Don't make your decisions based off of that. Just stay in tune with the markets. Now, you may have to make these little adjustments on the fly, right? Like if a candle closes with no top wick, or if news is about to come in, or let's say the candle's about to close. There's certain times where you're going to make these little adjustments within your trade management because maybe you had already planned the trade, And then sometimes here and there, you're going to have to make those adjustments. And that's okay. Like, let's say you get, I don't know where that level was. Let's just pretend it's right here. And that's where you're going to go break even. But, you know, we kind of push up like this. And this is your closure. And our trade is moving up pretty good. But we haven't quite hit break even. But the candle closed with no top wick. Right? So you just got to use your brain, right? You just got to adapt on the fly. And maybe this is say, okay, I'm going to go break even now just because I know that there's a higher probability for price to come down here versus going up. Now, it doesn't mean it can't go up, right? So I don't want to get out the trade, but to hang out at break even would probably be best, right? And that's when you make those little decisions on the fly and take it day by day. Trade by trade. Am I using prop firms? I use prop firms. I use regular accounts, regular cash accounts. I use it all. What up, some boy comedy? Hello. Good morning, Lee Lee. Sounds good. Sounds good. Yeah, it's always best to have that plan before entering. That's why every time I talk to my elites about trade management, anytime I talk to you guys about trade management too, I'm like, all this decision-making areas, they need to be established before you enter the trade, before you are having a staring contest with your floating P&L. All that needs to be established. That way you're not rocked by little things that happen, or if it's taking a little bit too much time. What do I do when it takes too much time? I just sit back. I just sit back and wait, right? And just let it play out. TK is in the building. What up, TK? How you doing? Yo, guys, sign up for the competition. The link is out. Make sure you guys get in by Monday, by Tuesday morning. Actually, by Monday night, we will have our 32 players into this tournament. All right. So someone's gonna walk away, man. Someone's gonna walk away. You know, match trade sucks and all this stuff. Hey. Someone's gonna take every excuse you got, and they're gonna walk away with a 200K account. The question is, who's it gonna be? Is it gonna be you, or is it gonna be the other guy? You haven't heard of "Would you look at that" all week? Well, dang, that's a shame.
Would you look at that?
Oh,
Yeah, well,
Would you look at that?
Yeah, there's
Look
a
at it.
few more blemishes on the car.
Oh my gosh, just look at it.
You're welcome, my friend. You're welcome for the advice. What's the code? What's the code? The Wi-Fi. You're welcome, Jerson. Good to have you here, man. Good to have you guys here. If you guys haven't liked the stream yet, give the stream a like. Also, if you're not subscribed to the channel, I mean, what are you doing, man? Lean back. Lean back. That's right, DJ Scratches. Send me some money, bro. Yo, send me some money, man. Send me some money. I'm up here putting in like 3 hours of work every day. Send me some money, Rama. Send me the money, bro. Send you money. Let me hold something, brother. TK, you hear this guy? Send me some money. Stephen B, what's up with your boy, bro? Chat, what's up with your boy? What's up with your boy Rama here, man? How you doing, Rama? It's the charity channel. I'm sending out money? No, I'm receiving money. I'm receiving money. Ah, I feel it coming in. I receive it. Rama's going to hit me with a big dono today. Let's go. Let's go. Pre-New York volume coming in here. Let's see how the 30-minute looks. Nothing. Nothing. TK, run up on this guy's computer, get in his bank account, and send me all the money. Don't think we can't touch you, Rama. We know where you are. We know your we've already got your location. Don't play with TK, man. I'm telling y'all. You guys think we're kidding up here, huh? 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 All right. IP's locked? Hey, trust me. Trust me. It's never locked. TK's a good hacker, not a bad one. Actually, TK, just go in there and like put like $5 in Rama's account. We'll hook him up. We got you, Rama. We got you, bro. Green's gonna pull up? No. We can't even get Green out there. Always rise. Let's go. W. Match Trader doesn't work for US base traders? It does. Watching the playbook video every day. Wow. Nice, dude. Great job. Yeah, for those of you guys who have not seen the playbook 2.0 video, go check it out, man. It's been out for a couple, about a week, maybe 2 weeks. I'm scared. I'm scared. Don't be, bro. We're going to put $7 in your bank account. We got you, man. There you go. Nah, I closed at $100, Nick. I saw all the rejections there on the 5 minute. Holy, the 5 minute, but it was just smashed my initial TP. You were so right. I should have let it play out. There you go, chat. You've heard it from Armor of God Productions keyboard yourself. Yeah, Playbook 2.0, you guys can go check it out. It's out. It's been out for like a couple, whatever, week or two. Man, did you say the 5 minute? Yeah, another thing I would recommend too, like if you are managing your trades on a lower time frame, what I would recommend is like if you're doing it on, if your trade is taken, if the idea is based off of the 30-minute time frame, then I would only go down like one time frame, like maybe the 15, right, to monitor things. Same thing, like if you're on the 1 hour, I would probably just move down towards like the 30-minute. I don't want to get too like analysis paralysis by going down too many time frames, because you know, you can get spooked out of any trade. Even the best trades, you know, will look a little iffy sometimes on those lower time frames. So, you know, keep that in mind. Chew on it. Take it for what it's worth. But I like to do that. If I'm going to take it on the 1 hour, I just want to really go down like one time frame. Explain the range one sells below. Yeah, because that's the break of the 4 hour lows here, Mr. BTC. And the 4 hour here, my friend, has been pumping up for quite some time, right? So we've been pumping for a while here. We are calling for a pullback. So I'm assuming, right? And I'm not really going off assuming, but closures later. But if we break that low here, that may be the beginning of our pullback, right? So we kind of come back down on the 4 hour, create support, and then keep it moving. So That's one of my, that's kind of like why I'm pretty open to sells. Now, like if that support was sitting right here, then it would be much different, right? I wouldn't really be looking for sells at that point, but because that support is way down here, I'm open to taking sells on the break of that low if things are perfect for me in terms of like playbook wise, because we're calling for some sort of a pullback now. Yeah, but we may actually push up and fill that wick. That's probably what's going to happen here. Yeah, I wanted to be in this, but we didn't get any closure yet. So we'll see. NY open is coming up here. Good question, though. Good question. Is there any real benefit from the 1 minute time frame? Yeah, I mean, it depends how much time you've spent there. You know, I've personally spent almost no time on the 1 minute, so it wouldn't benefit me at all, right? So I've spent most of my time on the 4 hour, 1 hour, 30, 15 than anything. So that's why those time frames tend to benefit me. But I have a friend who spends most of his time on the 1 minute, right? And the 1 minute benefits him because, you know, he put in the work on the 1 minute time frame. So it's all about how much work you've put in, how much time you have, and, you know, what you know about those time frames. All of them, remember, there's no right or wrong. There's really no good or bad here in trading. It's just, what have you put in the work for? You know, that's where have you worked on the skill set? And then that's what you can use to your advantage. I earn more from seeing your live streams. All right, Rama. Bless you, my friend. I'm happy. Happy to hear it. Yeah, TK likes the one. TK spends a lot of time on the 1 minute chart. Ask him. TK, why don't you come up here and give us a lesson on the 1 minute chart? 1 minute for high blood pressure. Yeah, exactly. Basically, how much you've studied. You know, how much sample size data you have. That's what kind of makes the difference there. So, you know, we make, you know, we don't make fun of people, but we joke a little bit about those lower time frames. But, you know, I have a friend who's making a lot of money trading that lower time frame. But it's just because he's put in a lot more time on that time frame. Should I focus on the playbook too only, or should I still look at the older playbook video? Yeah, I mean, they're both valid. You know what I mean? Everything is still valid in that other playbook video. So yeah, you know, you want to take things like when you're going shopping at the grocery store. You know, like you want to walk down the aisles, play the video, and take what you feel you need, right? And you want to add into your trading that you feel like will make a good recipe or a good system for your own success. So you don't want to do everything I do, right? And nor could you, because it's impossible to do exactly what I do, just like it was impossible for me to do exactly what Raja did, right? Or does. So you want to find your own stride in trading. You know, you want to take little pieces and put them together as if it's like a puzzle, but you want to remain along the same foundations, right? So what I mean by that is you don't want to take this strategy and mix it with like some intraday strategy. You want to like at least focus on, you know, candlesticks, and whether it be from this guy or that guy, at least they could teach you about, you know, the specifics of, you know, the foundation of like our style of trading. Is the playbook my strategy? I don't have a strategy. I don't think no one can say, hey, this is my strategy, right? I claimed it. You know, I am the owner of it. It's not a valid point, right? So like the playbook is the plays that I use to take money from the markets. I didn't invent it. I didn't create it. I just learned it. That's it. My mentor would always tell me, hey, Nick, if you're going to walk through a minefield, follow somebody. Right? He would say, don't try and reinvent the wheel. Meaning, if something's working, don't try and do too much to it, right? Don't try and, if it's working, then don't complicate it. Don't try and fix it. So that's all I've done is I've looked towards other traders who had success in this trading style. I've picked up what I could. I used the shopping cart method and put things together in my own brain, how I understood it, and came up with what you've been seeing over the past almost 2 years. My brain doesn't know how to turn off. Yeah, happens. Buy or sell, man. You got to pay the fee for that one. That's one of my favorite questions on the live stream. Hey, man, buy or sell? I don't know, man. I'm just here. I'm just here existing. Stream Hopper in the house. What up? What's good? I do know. I don't know nothing, man. I don't know nothing. I wish you could make a PDF. Yeah, we'll make a PDF for the playbook too. We'll do it. We'll do it. Make note PDF for playbook 2. Got it. Oh, there you go. There you go. Sell. Sell, Scott. There's some answers in the chat. Is this gold futures trading? Yeah, I'm trading on futures. Yeah, but it's the same stuff. You know, forex, futures, same deal. Nothing actually changes. I remember my buddy tried getting me involved in futures back in like 2021, and I'm like, I don't know, man. You know, I didn't even know that like there's nothing different. Pretty much nothing. The only thing that's different is some of the pricing. See how you have different price on the side? And the only things that are different for the better, in my opinion, because you got no spread, you got no slippage, you're under regulation. I mean, but when it comes to the actual trading of the future or forex, I mean, it's literally the same exact thing. Oh yeah, so two wins I didn't mark up. I only marked them in the journal, not on the overlay. And then I took three trades yesterday. Two later on in the New York session, and then one in the Asian session. We are from the future, trading futures. From the future. Let's put a fake meeting on. Stop loss 220. Yeah, there you go. There you go. There's your signal. Sells TP 56910. Bingo, man. There you go. Can't wait to do a personal account. Yeah, personal accounts are just a vibe. They're just a different vibe. All right, yeah, you see the 4 hour now pushing up here. Perfect. This is what we wanted it to do, pretty much. Run, run. Let's see. Nailed it. Please give us an idea of the bias today. The bias today, so we are pretty bullish. Looks like we're trying to attempt to fill this wick. I mean, that was the idea, right? So we were trying to fill this wick here. We were going to see if we can get closures above 74 to take the buy in this range, but notice how we have not closed yet, right? It's just one candle moving up. So I was bullish here, had buys above 74, but now as we approach the 4 hour target, there may be a little switch up, you know, there may be a little switcheroo going on here. So we'll see if we can hit target, and then if we do, then I would expect that from 8 to 9, right, 8 a.m. to 9 a.m., that just maybe if we tap target, that this 4 hour candle can begin to pull back. And if I see signs like that, that show me that that pullback may be coming in right around these levels here at 2380, then I will potentially look for sells. So we'll see what happens. Would you say we were overextended on the 4 hour? Yeah, I would. I would. I would. What's the best income outside of trading? There is no best. It's all good. If it makes money, it makes sense. Rama. Go get a job. I don't know. Get a job. 9 to 5er. Get a 9 to 5er. All right, perfect. Yeah, at this point, I'd rather see this thing come up and fill the wick. Go to school, get a good education, and then go find a great job. Yeah. How do I join your private Discord? The private Discord. You hear that, Scott? Our private Discord's been linked. What up, Scott? We don't do private, man. Scott is in the house, making his presence known with the W's. W. Scott, good morning, brother. How are you? How are you? Scotty C in a building. Brother came in hot. So he came in like skirt. All gas, no brakes. How you feeling today, Scott? Welcome to the party. How you doing? How you doing?
How you doing?
Yeah, only Nick Stewart with the S, the money sign. If it's got the money sign, then that's the free Discord. Oh no, that's the private one. That's the private one. What up, Perez? Doing fantastic, brother. How you doing? How you doing?
How you doing?
Good morning, Nikki. What's good? What's good? What up, Energy? How you doing?
How you doing?
How much time it took you to be profitable, get your psychology in control? 2.5 years. My psychology was already pretty good coming in, but it's still not under control. So it hasn't been put under control yet. It's been, what should I say? It's been governed by systematic approaches and things that I know that work, but it's not really been controlled fully to the max yet. I'm a human, you know? I'm a human. I recently passed my funded. Oh, nice. Congratulations, Rahul. Congrats to Raul. Congrats to Louis G. Congrats to Rob Trades, Scott. There was like 2 or 3 other ones that passed their funded challenges recently. Congrats, guys. That's a major, major accomplishment. So big W to you guys. Keep the ball rolling. Just continue to show up every day and look for the next best trade. That's my only advice. Do not change a thing. There is no secret. You already know what to do. A lot of elites, man. A lot of elites getting funded with some big capital, man. First comes the skill, and then comes the capital. Yes, sir. Congrats to you guys, man. We got a few more cooking, too. We got a few more with, like, massive amounts, like almost, I think one of our guys, I won't mention his name yet, you'll hear from him because he's gonna get the job done. I already know that, but I think he's got like a million loaded up, so I won't even say his name yet. You'll know his name soon. Never made this kind of bread before. Let's go. That's what I want all my friends to say. Yo, Nick, we ain't never made this type of bread before, man. Praise God. I got a 1-to-1 strategy with 70% win rate. Can it make me profitable? Yeah, if you don't blow it, you know, if you don't abuse it and just use it for what it's worth, of course. Recently passed my funded account with Top Step as well and 5K in profit. Let's go. Let's go. Beautiful. Let's go, Wiz Buddha. Wiz Buddha. What's your advice when it comes to trading and taxes? Hire an accountant. Eagle 4K. All the elites are on the Eagle 4K. Y'all don't know about that. We do a little Eagle 4K. You took 6 trades? Yeah, I took 3 trades yesterday, but two trades were from the other day I'd never marked up. I got lazy. I didn't even make the video on them. My bad, chat. It was Maverick's birthday, and I forgot all about it. Cooking, cooking. How much is an accountant roughly? There's no roughly. I don't know. Depends who you're working with. Yeah, TK says I like wave apps. TK is gonna be hooking me up with that soon. I blew 6 accounts, and since watching you taking on the advice, I've kept to the 1 account. Oh, nice, man. Just need 100 trades to collect some data. That's what I mean, Ryan. See, Ryan's focused on the next 100 trades, which is where you really want to be. Greetings from Indonesia. How you doing? Hello, everyone from Indonesia. Hope you guys are well. Good evening to you guys, I should say. We got ourselves a juice. All right, we close with no top wick here. Lovely. So we close with no top wick. We're entering NY open. We've officially, in a way, we can say that the 4 hour has tapped into some targets here. I think we still have a little room to go. So I would like to see this 1 hour make a bottom wick and then, you know, start pushing up there. And then that's when I may have a sell stop here on the break of the low. Yeah, stops are going to be going to have to be above this high here, right? Because you could still pump up on the 4 hour to fill that wick. So we want to see if we could attempt to fill the wick first and then come down and break the low. Does that make sense? And by the way, it's no harm here if you guys do not take these trades. These are if you're new to it and you don't quite understand it just yet, then it's always best to just chill out and watch. What up, C Melly? C Melly in the house. We need to make a nice attempt to keep going though off of this no top wick candle. Let's see if we can get in that gray box. That'll leave us some distance. Where's Johnny Stoop? Johnny Stoop. Let's see. Let's take this on the combine too. No bottom wick, it's top. What? I'm not sure. Yeah, let's see if we can attempt to push up here. We got volume coming in, so I want to see if we can push up, and then I'm gonna have a sell stop there on the break of that low. Am I in? No, I'm not in yet. Nope. I'm waiting for this to re-break the high, push up a little bit, and then I'm gonna have a sell stop. Yeah, we could get a mini push up. Yeah, Ecom Dre. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like we could, so we still have room to go on the 4 hour. So this is what happens. Pay attention here real quick, because whenever we're early, right, on the fade, this tends to be the case. So the 4 hour still has room to go, right? So we are already in the sell now, right? Because it just rebroke the low, but the 4 hour still has a little bit more room, right? About an extra like 11, 12 pips in this situation here. So we want to see if we could attempt a little bit more to get up there before we set that sell stop. Otherwise, we may be a little too early, and you know, this candle may do this and close up there, right, while we're already activated, and then maybe it's not till the next one, right, where we start breaking the lows. So We want to keep that in mind. What happened on Match Trader? I have no idea. I'm not on Match Trader. Where do we get the 50% discount? As long as your email is in that link that we posted for the free tryouts, you will get a 50% email on your next challenge. No top wick. No top wick means that there's a lower probability that price will continue up, because a wick equals a range. So if there's no wick, that means that there's really no range. So what'll happen is price will kind of come up here and then find no range and start to break back down. You won't see it in the email. I'm saying the email that you use to sign up with, when you buy your next challenge, it'll automatically give you 50% off. And if you don't see that 50% off, all you have to do is message their support and say, hey, I bought a challenge with TTE and I'm supposed to get 50% off, and they'll grant it. But most of you should, once your email goes through their system again, that 50% off should be applied. But again, if it doesn't, just hit their support and they'll help you out. It does not cost to enter. Everything's free. If you see like it costs $600 or something, just refresh the page, close it, and open it back up. Cool. So congrats to all you guys that got in already. Open tryouts are here, man. Let's pack them out, and the top 34 are gonna play the game. The game starts next week. There's 200,000. There's $350,000 on the line here for the winners. 200K for the top dog, 100K for the second place or the second runner up, and then 25K for each 3 and 4. Yo, what's up? Jesus loves you. I know, brother. I know, man. It's so amazing. You can do whatever you like. Yep. You can trade anything. News, whatever you want to do. Oh, TTE comp. TTE comp is the code. Make sure it says 000 before confirming the checkout. All right. Thank you, Billy O'Neill. Jesus is gangster. Well, Jesus did he's had some cool moments, man. You know, like especially when one of my favorite Jesus moments is when he went to the base of the temple, and they had made it like a place where they started hustling, right? They started selling goats and exchanging money, and you know, basically making the temple into some sort of what he would call like a den of thieves, right? Or what do they call it? Like the block, you know what I mean? Like all of a sudden you just go down there like, hey, what you need? We got what you need, just picture it, right? And he sat back and he said, bet. I'm gonna sit here and I'm gonna tie up this, he tied up this cord, right? Very strong cord. Started sitting there tying it up. And then once he was done, he got to whipping. Yeah, man. He said, get up out of here, and started whipping the animals and probably the people and the money exchangers, and he started flipping the tables, and man, top dog. All right, I do still want to see this push up a little bit. If we break the lows and start driving here, I mean, that's fine too, but I really want to see us push up a little bit more. If we do not get that, then I'll be just sitting on an onion play here. Yeah, man cleaned out the whole place. They all scattered, bro. Now that's G. And you know what? Some of y'all might not like this, but if he went into some of the churches today, he'd do the same thing. I'm sorry, but I'm not sorry. John Stewart's in the house. Morning, John.
Yo, good morning, brother.
How you doing?
How you doing? What's poppin', man? How you doing?
Everything amazing, man.
Lovely. Another great day here.
Oh yeah, great.
Happy Wednesday. Get it. It's gonna be a great day, y'all.
Chat, John Stewart.
Morning, chat. How you guys doing? It's great to be back.
It's great to have you back, man.
Thank you, bro. Let's get it. Let's get it.
Do you read the Bible every day or some days? Every day. Every day. It used to be some days, but I would say for the past maybe 2 years, 2.5 years, it's been every day. Every day I start my morning in a Bible study.
That's great.
Currently, we're in the Gospel of Luke, chapter 8, and I'm fired up about it. Look at this. NY Open is just frozen. Frozen. You're going to get a push. There's going to be volume coming in here. 15 closure in 4 minutes here.
Yes, sir. I'm waiting on that 15 closure.
My broker gave me a top wick on that recent 15. That still doesn't defeat like the fact that we're filling the 4-hour wick there. Right? Just the position we're in anyway, just kind of overextended here. I mean, we could still move up for sure, but yeah, no wick or no wick, I wouldn't want to take a buy here. Can we study before start trading? Absolutely. Just grab a Bible and study. Dive in. Let the Lord lead you, man. Let him lead you.
Thanks, bro. Even just 5 minutes a day, that's better than nothing.
All right, come on. Let's see. So we would have been in right now, right? We would have been in right now. So let's see where this next 3 minute takes us. I have a feeling we could still get towards 79 here, right? That's kind of been my overall idea. So I think we could still get there.
Oh, Goldie, give us a clean resistance.
Yeah, we may pop on the next one too, right? And then we could have a sell stop on the break of the low. Kids be messing with my headset.
In that case, would you say like the weaker the closure, the better?
Pretty much,
Like
yeah. Yeah, we want to see a weak closure here. So we want to see, we want to get evidence that this wick, this no top wick has ended the party, right? Is the party stopper. So we'll see. You know, we'll see, because sometimes the party ends, but you know, it keeps going and then dies out. So that's what I mean about we don't want to be too early when it comes to taking the fade.
Sure.
The worst case here, we take a onion play, right? We don't take the fade itself, the impulse idea. We just wait for an onion and then we take that. What up, Lights Fire? Doing awesome. Good morning, Sandman. What's good?
Hey, man, what's good, Lights Fire?
Lights Fire. Fire, fire.
Patiently waiting.
Patience.
Hey, what's good, Lights Fire? I'm great, brother. How you doing?
Lights, fire in the house.
That Cannon, I'll let you know. Let you know.
Cannon, cannon. Come to Boise. Ooh. I'm down. Quick, that's a quick
A
trip
nice
for
ribeye
us.
on the grill sounds fire.
Nice ribeye. I'm always down for ribeye.
Sure.
Ribeyes tonight.
Hey.
That's that Little Wayne back in the day. Cannon, cannon.
Yeah.
All right, let's see what's gonna happen here. 4 seconds. If the current candle closes small bearish, am I gonna look for a celery? I am not. I'm gonna see if we could attempt a sell. So if this candle can come up and make a top wick, then that's what I'll be looking to have a sell stop there on the break of the low. It is 8:15. We should have volume coming in. The idea here is the fact that the 4-hour has potentially tapped a target, right? Let's go review that real quick. 4-hour has potentially filled this wick or almost got there. 1 hour closed with no wick. 30-minute closed with no wick as well. 15 has formed a resistance here. So that's the idea. It might run here, but yeah, my bad. I was explaining that. Yeah, my targets are going to be like 75 here. So, yeah, that's a shame. But if it could pull back a little, I'm going to enter a sell.
Yeah, 75. I like that.
Yeah. Damn. Damn. Man, who asked me that question?
Take him
That's
out
me.
of class. You may still be good though. To enter.
Yeah, if we can make a steeper top wick, then I'll probably this probably be a flip entry for me on the next if we make a top wick. Yeah, I will enter if we come back up. $30 onion might be decent as well. Yes, for sure. Definitely. I am not in. No, I'm not in. I didn't get my entry yet. Hopefully it doesn't drive here. If it can pull back and make a little bit of a better top wick, I'm going to have a entry here on the flip. I didn't cancel my sell stops. Nope. I was explaining what I was looking for, and as I was, the low broke there. All right, let's go. Break the high here. Break the highs. I'm gonna
Where's 8? Where's comics? I'm gonna push us.
All right, let's All right, I'm gonna have a sell stop now on the break of the lows. Yeah, so sell stops on the break of the low. What's the trade? The trade is a 15-minute onion play at 8:15 here, expecting this 30 to potentially push down towards 74 there. Yeah. All right, I think I've been activated here. Yeah, so I'm in. So I'm activated. Stop's going to be kept above the highs here, above that 4-hour wick to the left-hand side, this wick right here. Right, this one right here, and then that's the trade. Expecting the 30-minute candle to start driving after closing with no top wick there.
Yep.
Yeah, partials are going to be sitting right here around 73. So I would say like right around here. Partials. And then, yeah, full TP, I would say, you know, these support levels. But I'm looking for 75 because I'm still bullish later, right? I'm expecting this candle now in the 4-hour to pull back a bit after almost filling that wick there. So I do still agree with buys, but I think we can get a pullback here over the next like 30 minutes or so. So that's what the idea is based on. If we come up and make a better top wick, that's fine too.
That's great too.
Yeah, there it is. Perfect. Yeah, so remember the 4-hour can still come up a bit, right? So we have that wick over here. We could still come up a little bit. Fake out coming? Maybe. There's news in an hour and a half. Is it important? That's gonna be a speech. So yeah, that should bring volume into the market for sure. Yeah, so now the flip entry is pretty good here. So now that we've come up and made that top wick, if we re-flip bearish, that's a pretty good entry. Or if not, just take it on the break of the lows if you're not in yet. But we'll see what happens here. That was comics open here, so
Yeah.
Johnny's in the house.
Sir.
Chat's quiet. Where'd you go? Oh, look at this.
Oh, about 820. Damn.
Oh, we're filling that wick. Where the heck's my stop? Oh, my stop is right here.
You didn't get stopped?
I did not. My stop is sitting like right there. Yeah. Where they at, chat? Yeah. Yeah, so that's what we mean about potentially being a little too early, right? So we're gonna run into that. We're gonna run into that over the next couple weeks, 100%, right? 100%, and that's cool because that's how we master this idea. You see how we were onto it today? We really wanted to see another aggressive push up, and it happened there. So, yeah, another nice lesson learned here. AB Mike in the house. What up, AB Mike? Let's see what happens here from this zone. Yeah, my stops got hit. How you doing? What up, baby Mike? How you doing, bro? We'll get the next one. That's right. Yeah, we'll get the next one. By the way, be prepared for that. You know, I'm expecting that to happen quite a few times here between now and the end of the year where we're going to be early. We really are, you know, and that's one thing we mentioned there. So that's A-okay. I would take that again tomorrow. The fact that we closed with no wick at the top, 4-hour had reached target, I would do that all over again tomorrow. So
course.
what now? Now we wait. We wait now for the next best setup. Account 32 gone. Here I come. Damn, Trader J. Trader Dre. How much did you risk? Good morning, Alan. What's up, bro? What does it mean when a candle doesn't have a top wick? It means that there's a lower probability that the next candle will drive. So it doesn't mean that it won't drive. It just means that there's a much lower probability of that happening. So we use that lower probability to our advantage. So when we see candles that close with no wick, that's one of the clues that we'll use to say, okay, well, maybe, you know, this is where the party stops. But it looks like we're continuing up here on the 4 hours. So yeah, we just plowed through that wick there. Not following trend is a big L, no offense. By doing this, we've had about 38 wins and 4 losses, no offense. So it is a good idea, right? Because I've sample sized the data here, and it's not 100% probability, but it's certainly a good idea. Based off of data. Based off of data. So it's not a big L, it's a big W. Would you ever consider setting a sell limit? Target. No, now I'm going to wait. Now I'm waiting on the next best opportunity here. So the 30-minute candle is going to close. We'll see how that closes. If it closes below, the shorts still may be in play. And we just may have been a little early here. Yeah, just lower your risk. Yep. Lower your risk. My risk won't be full on these positions until next year. Right? So just think about that. So if my risk is half until next year, how come you over risk or go high risk on this? Yeah, there you go. Don't over risk and you should be fine. Oh, nice. Stop loss at 82. Okay. Not a bad idea above these highs here. Yeah, not bad. That would be, what was that? That was 46. Yeah, it still isn't too bad. So the flaw here was that we did not wait for that wick to actually fill, right? So we still had a little bit more room, is what I mentioned too, you know, that we could still pump up here to fill the remainder of that wick. So that's it, you know, that was it. Just we were a little early, and I already know, like I said, I'm gonna be early. You know, I'm gonna be early on this quite a bit as I continue to learn and dissect and dive into it and study it and, you know, take it and sample size it. There's a learning process, and I'm cool with that.
You're considering that play the fade?
Yeah. Fade. The
Was it
fade
on
didn't
15
fade
onion?
here. It shall not pass. Oh no, you know what? That was an onion. My bad. That was a 15 onion there. Yeah. Where's Perez? Perez is here. He was here. It shall not pass 82. It shall not pass 82. All right, let's go ahead and mark this up. This was 8:15.
Yeah, Patrol Smoke, I'm gonna do the same thing, bro.
What?
Do some push-ups.
Let's go. All right, I want to see how we close here in 21 seconds. 21 seconds. Yeah, this may be where we begin to fade. 1 hour still open. So remember, the 1 hour also closed with no wick here too. So 1 hour still open, 30 minutes left on the 4 hour candle here. We've pushed up quite a bit. Will we continue running or will we start to pull back? I spilled my coffee. Uh-oh. It shall not hit it. Yeah, I am focused on the aspect of the long-term trading. Yep, I am. All right, so we'll see what happens here. We may get that pullback now, but still need to see price push up a bit. And now we can hit the fade. Where hold on, where can we see the ranking for the competition? That's gonna, I think we're gonna put it in top 1 channel on Discord. Yeah, I believe it's gonna go in that channel, so we'll post the rankings every day. See where you guys stand, man. We'll see where you guys stand. What up, Tradeaholic? Yeah, so if we can push up, break the highs, I may be down to give this a second chance, this trade idea here. We'll see. We want to see it kind of break the highs here and push up. How come I took the trade when the 4 hours very bullish? Because that's why, because the 4 hours very bullish, right? So bullish to the point where it may have tapped into its own target now. Right, and if it is, then that means over the course of the next, let's say, you know, half hour here, maybe this candle can pull back to leave a wick for the next candle to follow. Right, so kind of expecting that pullback here come 8:30, but you know, things got to line up. So let's see. Did news happen? News did not happen, no. I get way too negative. Yeah, you don't want to get, that's what I mean. You don't want to let like wins and losses mess you up. You know, you're going to have losses in trading. You're going to have it. Right, they all go into that box, right? That box of 100 trades. Right, within that box, over the next 100 trades, you're gonna have a specific win rate. Let's just call it, you know, let's just call it 80-20, right? 80-20. So every trade you take just goes into one of these columns. You know, the cool part about it is that 8 will typically go in this one, and 2 will go in that one for every 10. So you just got to keep that in mind, right? Keep the long game in mind, and you'll be good. All right, I think I'm going to give this one another shot here. So may give this trade a second chance on the break of the lows if we do not fill this wick. Yeah, I'm
You
gonna
gonna
have a
hold till
sell
75?
stop here. Yup, same plan here. Same plan, only a little bit of a higher entry. So we'll see what happens. You guys don't have to get in this. You don't have to get in this. This is all testing. This is all, or if you do get in it, just go low risk. Low risk. Risking the daily drawdown limit on a trade. Take an L and get, yo. You're always going to be pissed when you risk that max daily, man. Always. Yeah, the strategy does work with any pair. You just have to learn the little nuances of that pair. So just learn when the volume comes in and, you know, when that pair likes to trade and all that stuff. All right, I'm going to have sell stops. I'm going to grab some more water and I'll be right back.
It's not revenge trade, only full margin. That's funny. Yeah, since we took a loss, full margin now. Let's get it. Nah, but for real though, serious talk, like if you get tight taking losses, you gotta understand your system, right? Understand your methodology, understand how your business operates, because we're supposed to take losses, right? It's fine. For you to think that it's not normal, right? That's just not true in this case, right? So it's totally okay to take losses as long as they're good losses following your plan. And yeah, you're not supposed to win every single trade, right? You're supposed to win more trades than not. That's how that's how our business operates. That's how the system works. So trust in the system, right? Let the losses come in. If the losses come in, that's a good thing, right? That's showing you that, all right, you're in a probabilities game, you're in an uncertain environment, right? So just let the probabilities play out. And if you're taking losses, that's a good thing, because that's telling us that, all right, we're taking trades with our edge, and we're starting to get, you know, we're starting to get some numbers here on our edge, and we're letting the chips fall as they may. Losses equal knowledge? Yes, 100%. 100%. There's been so many losses I took in this journey that has helped me out to avoid more losses in the future. Yep. Set and forget, right? That's all we can do is just worry about the next trade, right? Why focus on the things we can't control? Like, we can't control what the outcome, excuse me, of our trade's gonna be, but we can control what trades we take, right? So it's just trusting in our trades and trusting in our odds, right? Long term. I'm not in a trade, but I do have sell stops. Hey, good morning, Wags. What's up, man? We also are coming close to the last 15 minutes of the 4-hour candle, excuse me. So what we see usually in the last 15 minutes of the 4-hour candle is a nice pullback of the 4-hour candle. And we've been so bullish now for so long, right? I mean, price doesn't have to do anything, but there's a high chance, you know, we can pull back, especially closing below resistance. Yes, sir, Sterling. That's so facts, bro. We have to be proactive in every situation, right? We have to be in full control of every situation, right? We don't want to let the situation control us. We want to control it. And the way we control it is by taking authority over mind, right? We get to choose the perspective we want. It's either going to be a perspective that empowers us or devours us, right? It's up to you. But the cool thing is that we get to make that choice. This is nice. We're starting to fill this wick, so if we can start to reject these highs up here after trying to fill it, then and we break those lows, then there's a high chance we drive down. Match trader's not good, Morpheus? Damn. Sorry to hear that, bro. Maybe get with someone else. Ali, why would I sell in a quite bullish market? Just simply for the move of a pullback, right? The anticipation of a pullback trend in the market. That's why.
All right. All right. Where can I find the journal? You can find it in here. You can see, just hit exclamation point journal and it'll pop up. Oh yeah, so we're going to try and get all the stats here and we're going to post it in the top one channel. So you guys are in the Discord, come over to the top one trader, that channel. And then later today, we're going to get the, the rankings up. Yeah, that's going to be sick. Yeah, we'll put the rankings there. We'll try and put it there every day. But we'll definitely do it every day when we get into the competition. But yeah, it should be fun. It should be fun. Where's my stop loss going to be? Above the highs here. So above whatever highs that are formed, that's where my stops are going to be. Pretty much above those highs. Right here.
Yeah, Ryan, I mean, I do envision myself winning, but more so I envision myself taking, a playbook setup, like a good trade that aligns with my system, because I know naturally making money will be a byproduct to me taking that trade, so I try to just envision taking great trades, A+ trades.
Yeah, London was nice. Looked like London was nice buys here. London open. Yeah, those look good. So, how do I join the challenge? Just hit, what is it? Yeah, there you go. There's TK. So click that link that's about to pop up in 3, 2, 1. Boom. Click that link right there and that will enter you. Get an account. It's a free 100K account. And start trading, my friend. Start trading. You guys may have strategies that are different too. Like maybe your strategy is to wait till Thursday or Friday this week, right? So maybe let Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, like all these other traders mess it up, right? And then you get whatever your strategy is, that's what we want you to play. But then again, you wait too long, you might be too far behind, right? So you gotta pick your strategic approach. Yeah. From Philly, man, how did I know? I honestly, I had a feeling. I had a feeling Tradeaholic was from Philly. AB Mike, you ever been to Philly? All right, 2 minutes. 2 minutes for the closure here. There could be a breakout, of course, but I don't want to take buys so high. Right? We really haven't had much of a pullback here. So I really don't want to take my buys just yet. I'd rather wait for a pullback. And during that pullback, I may be interested in the sells. Meaning like I do want to take buys today, but I don't want to take them until price does something like this, right? Comes back down, creates a new support, maybe even throws us like a fake out, right? And then plants a new support. And that's when I want to take my buys, right there. So I'm not really interested in taking the buys way up here right now. Philly. The link is up. It's out. It's in the announcement section too on Discord. When I looked at Raja, did I take all the trades he made or not? In the beginning, yes. Yeah. And now, like I said, you can never be just like the other trader, right? So you can be similar, but not exactly. So now, like, there's trades that he'll take that I don't really like, and I'm sure there's trades that I take that I see him not interested in. But I would say like 85% of the trades that I take or that he takes, I would agree with them. You know, but just maybe not every trade. And that should be the case with you guys too. Like, you guys shouldn't, right? You shouldn't try and do exactly what I do. You should try and listen and learn and kind of develop your own swag and your own skill. But, like, you know, you don't have to be exactly like me. Now, will we take like 85% of the same trades? Probably, right? But there should be a little difference in everything. I love Philly cheesesteaks.
Same.
Fill it. Try it again, Morpheus. Try it again. Just like redo it. Man's throwing Meek Mills in. What's the word for today, John? How's the weather up there?
The word, it's pretty good. I went out for a walk this morning. It was nice and warm. I think it's going to be a little humid later, so probably pretty hot, but it's going to be good. I'm chilling today, so
Nice.
what's up with you?
Chilling. It's like 84 here. I think we're going to go swimming later.
Ooh, fire.
A little swimming.
Nice. You guys should grill out by the pool.
Maybe we'll grill some steaks. I think we're going to save that for later, though.
Maybe some burgers and dogs.
Just burgers. Just some
Nice.
burgers. Yeah, so the last 15, we noticed that typically the 4-hour will begin to pull back here. So let's see if we get that pullback.
You still got your sell stops, right?
Yeah, I still got them just in case this 15 now starts breaking lows. Because one thing we could expect is we could expect like the 4-hour candle. If it's up here, we would expect it to pull back, right? So we'd expect it to pull back, and then we'd expect the next candle to make a bottom wick, right? So this pullback here is the pullback in which we want to take advantage of, right? This right here and this right here. And what that will look like on the lower time frame is just simply this. All right, just that. That's your pullback, and then that's your bottom wick, and then we reset and we look for a fake out for buys. Is this an A+ setup? Yeah, this actually has a what win rate does this have, Scott? Now we only have like 40 trades here, but as of those 40 trades, it has like a 90% win rate.
That's
I
the
think
fade.
it was like 90,
right?
93 or something. Yeah, the fadey. This is the fade. This is the fade. The trade before this was an onion. It was a 15-minute onion.
Let's get Scotty boy.
One sec, I bet. Do you have mentorship? I do. Do you need to pay a fee for the competition? No, you don't. Ronaldo? Ooh, Ronaldo. Ronaldo may be, he may have been developed in a laboratory, but you didn't hear that from me.
High chance.
I'm breaking up with her? Uh-oh. What would you say? Onion had trouble going down with the no bottom wick. Yeah, there was very little to no bottom wick. I didn't realize that. Yeah. Yeah, that could have been the problem there. But one thing I do notice is that we pushed up very strong. We closed with no top wick. We gave one more push, and now we're just starting to kind of like slowly die out, it seems like, the bullish momentum here. I signed up for the competition from top one, and they sent me 2 100K accounts. Oh, nobody knows not. Me no speak English. Someone said they got like 5. Like, what?
Oh, damn.
Oh, damn.
Tough.
Tell them you want something in return. I'd be keeping that to myself. Got 200K accounts. Oh, you did? All right, sorry. You got to give back one of them.
I ain't saying nothing.
You thought you had 200K. Hey, Clay.
No one knows
What
nothing.
was his username? Hey, what was your email?
Wearing a tattletale. Snitch.
Yeah, you could use. Yeah, you could just use the one. Use 1 or 2. It don't matter. You might get lucky. I got 5 accounts yesterday. Oh, they breached them. Okay, yeah, that's fine. So yeah, they probably seen multiple accounts are being put out, so they probably breached whatever extra you got. We got the guitar playing here. OGH. Yeah.
In the 4-hour, I'm expecting to make a bottom wick too. Anyways,
Me too.
as we come close to the 4-hour closure.
Seems like a lot of volume's been coming in later. Yeah, that's why you guys see me taking more trades off stream too. Hanging out at the desk, taking some trades. Some of y'all like, I think one guy hit me up. He's like, "Why are you taking trades off stream, bro? I can't take a trade off stream. I can't trade. Traders trade, bro."
Like, who the hell are you, dude?
Who are you, dude? My boss? Hey, man, no trades off stream. Oh, yes, sir. Let me do exactly what you say. Well, I take trades off stream, brother. My kids need diapers.
Right.
They need some new shoes, man. Them Crocs are roasted. Off
Need that milk.
Yeah. I think I'm. They're putting me into that category now. It's like off stream trades. Scam.
Of course, bro. Why wouldn't they?
Scammer. This top one giving
Typical
the
rat
100K.
racer.
Yeah. Top one's giving the 100K account for free, so you can enter into the free tryout to potentially qualify to participate in the tournament. Milk's expensive, bro.
Seriously.
Best time to trade gold in the afternoon. I would say I think I've been taking a lot of trades come like 10:30 and even some towards like noon, so 12 p.m. ish. But yeah, I mean gold is still active. You know, just because we get off the live stream doesn't mean that gold just shuts down, right? I get off the live stream because I have other things to do, but I still can peek at the charts and take a look and still enter trades and stuff. But yeah, later on it does pump pretty good. Time me out, bro. Time me out.
Let me cook.
Link for the 100K. It's gonna be the link is gonna be hit ! Competition ! Comp. All right, so I did get in these cells here, so I'm going to wait on the new 4 hour to open up and possibly give us a bottom wick and all that good stuff. Stops are now above that 4 hour high there, so we'll see how everything plays out. But I do plan on probably holding this one for a little bit and seeing if it can play out.
Let's get Z Gamer.
Z
Yes,
Gamer.
sir. Same here, bro.
Yeah, nice. Yeah, there you go. Try and hit TT comp as like a coupon code. Yeah, try and use the comp. Yeah, try and use that code. If for any reason it says like $600, just know that you don't have to pay that. So just like refresh or close it down and put it back up. Yo, what up, Davey P? What's good? Hey,
Davey.
Hey, damn. Do I have an LLC? I do. When is it appropriate to set it up? Whenever, really. I mean, I would start. I don't think you really have to worry about it till you actually start making like some money. And if you are making money, then I would do it now.
If we can create resistance too on top of that, that'll be great.
Yeah. So we are running into support. Let's keep that in mind. All right, we got 1 minute left on the candle. The only way I'm out of this trade is if we do close with no bottom wick. Other than that, I'm going to remain in here and look to see if we can catch the new 4 hour candle making a bottom wick, right? Down towards like 75 there.
Yep.
Yep. 75 is where I'll close partials and then all that good stuff. Let's put this up. Yeah, I think 75 gives us about 40 pips. So we get about 40 pips. We got to break those lows on the 30 and all that good stuff. But yeah, as long as we close decent with a bottom wick, then everything should be good.
Yeah, I really like 75 for that 4 hour,
Yeah.
especially for that bottom. I think that's very doable.
Yep. I'd say so. If we do no wick though, I'll probably just go break even.
Give us a wick, Goldie. Don't do that.
Give us a little closure below too. That'd be nice.
Do us dirty.
Yeah, so we got no wick here, chat. So I'm gonna go break even, and I would expect the new 4-hour candle to push down as we go to make a bottom wick. But look, we may come up and hit stops or hit break even here, but that's totally fine. We close a no wick. Otherwise, I'd keep my stops where they were, but I'm not gonna take a chance on this one. Got an earlier entry, so close partials at 20. Nice. I think I got, what, 13 so far. So let's see if we can come down now and make this bottom wick here. Give us a push up like this.
Of course.
See how we no top wick here and we pushed? Give us a no bottom wick here and push.
I left a wick on my Trado vape, but not on my own.
Yeah, I always like to go based off Oanda.
Yeah.
Wiki.
Yeah.
Shall not go to 79. You shall not go to 79.
Did you get B or no?
You shall. No, I didn't.
What?
Yeah. Chat, all in one. You shall not go to 79. I got charged $627. That probably isn't real, but if it is, just message them. They'll send you the refund right away. You shouldn't have been charged anything. Almost that B. Oh, wow. Look at that. B almost got hit. Might get hit here.
I just got hit.
Don't do it. You shall not do it.
Bro, is it really going to get me out of B and drive?
I hope so. On this one, John, I hope so. Sorry.
Does that, chat? I'm out.
It shall not go to 79. It shall not pass 79.
Bruh.
John, you going to quit trading if I don't get stopped at B here?
Nope.
I didn't use the promo code, ended up buying. Yeah, you guys have to click the link that we're providing you. That's how the account is free. The competition's completely free. Close partials at the bottom of the wick. Nice. Yeah, I'm just hitting break even here. If this thing can drive for me, awesome. I really do expect us to make a bottom wick here, right? Break the low, come down, make a bottom wick on the 4-hour candle. Blow on the screen. No, it shall not go to 79. Wake the kids up. I think I hear somebody up. I hear some little feet running. 1 minute got no bottom wick. Uh-oh. Holy.
Bro, Goldie's doing me dirty all week, bro.
Gold really did us dirty. What was that, yesterday? When we got
No,
hit
it's
by
done
1
me
pip?
dirty, bro. You've been chilling.
Nah. Come on, break the 4-hour low and give us this bottom wick. Hakuna Matata, yes. Oh, someone's playing me. Someone's playing my YouTube channel in this house. Can I do the challenge if I'm 18 years or younger? Nobody knows nothing. Just don't tell anyone, bro.
All right, great. Time to watch my TP get smacked.
We'll see. This is probably only the bottom wick here, right? So we want to. This could pull back up at any time. So I am break even at this point. I think we're sitting about 23 pips in profit here. My partials are sitting, sorry gang, my partials are right here. Right around this area here. Yeah, we may bounce off of this zone here too, so that's an area here. See it to the left? This resistance level. But if anything, I'd go break even there, which I'm already break even. So at this point, it's just see if partials will get hit. I'm still in the original cell. Nice. Yeah, that cell's back in. That cell's in profit too now. Yeah, we may reject off that here. It's a free challenge account. Yes. Yeah, it's all free. Let's see. Proud of myself. I held a little bit longer. Nice. Beautiful. Made my losses back. W. Yeah, that's good. Losses made back. This may be the bottom wick now, right? Because remember, this candle doesn't have a bottom wick on the 30. So this may be our bottom wick for the 4 hour. So if we re-break that high, that's break even for me anyway. But after breaking that high, we should run up and fill that wick. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm waiting for support right now.
Most of you guys know I'm working on holding my trades a little longer, and I already know that by doing that, I will hit break even a little bit more, and I'm totally fine with all that. Totally fine with it. All right, give me 1 sec. I'll be right back.
Gotta love trading, chat. Let's go. You gotta embrace this. Gotta have a smile on your face at all times. Gotta embrace every good and bad with trading. Excuse me, sorry. Yes, 8-figure trades in the building. Facts. Let's go. What up, Xander? Best job ever had. Facts. Bliss. Same here. Same here. This job is, I love this job. I'm just chilling at my desk, right? At home. Okay, good stuff. Xander, way to be disciplined. Yeah, I know Nick's in a trade, but I'm patiently waiting for 15 closure here and then see what happens. At least I got B on that. It got me by 1 pip, literally.
Best job in the world, chat. You don't even have to leave your house to lose money.
Yeah, that's what a trader is, right? I rather risk my money for freedom than my freedom for money. So I don't care losing some money because I got my freedom. All right, so I'll take that. I'll give you my money for my freedom. That's fine.
Yeah, 1 pip, man. 1 pip's been hitting quite a bit.
The crazy thing is 2 weeks ago, it happened twice in a week. I got stopped out of a trade by 1 pip and it moved and hit my TP, and then I also missed my TP by 1 pip and got B. Yeah, I wasn't looking at my computer. I had my TP set. Price just missed it by 1 pip and hit my B. Yeah.
Sheesh.
1 pip's getting to me, man.
Happens.
That's why I said you just gotta love it. You gotta embrace it all.
Yep.
Of course, Dan. Of course, you need money. There's a process to building up some capital.
You actually don't need money to be free.
You really don't.
But yeah, I hit B either. So break even for me. I think we got, what did we get? About almost 30 pips there. So yeah, I was looking for this, about 42. So another 12 more and I would have been there. Oh, from New York. Maybe I got hit by 1 pip now too, John. Then we could laugh together.
Maybe, but I feel like we might go up now.
Well, the 4 hour just broke the high here, so. One hour is still very bare though. Can you still trade in the competition account afterwards if you're not in the 32? Yeah, you can still trade on it. We'll sink into the deep. We'll see. We'll see. Ladies and gents, 1 pip John. We got 1 pip Mark. We got 1 pip. Hey, I got stopped by 1 pip a few times too. Right, John? That one day I felt bad for John though, because his TP was money and it literally It missed my
know.
man's TP by like not even a pip, maybe half a pip.
Yeah, bro.
That was whack.
What are you gonna do? I know it was, bro. That was a big test to my psychology.
All right, 34 seconds for 9:15 here, so we'll see what happens. We're pretty much, let's go ahead and do a fresh top-down analysis here. The daily candle's been moving up, right? We obviously have a support here that we're pushing up from. So we've kind of moved up in this range quite a bit. I think there may still be some more room for the daily to continue up. Let's see what the 4-hour looks like. 4-hour juiced up pretty heavily on that last 4-hour candle, and now we're beginning to break the highs here. The 1-hour candles are all messed up, right? So nasty on the 1-hour chart. You had this candle close with no top wick, then you had this candle close bearish, and now this one's just kind of moving back up. 30 minutes giving us a resistance here. Let's take a look at the 15. We've got support, and that's pretty much our range now, right? So we're basically in this range, and we'll look to see if we can break out come 9:30. Yeah, you've got a pretty decent move coming up. What's that going to be? It's like a 32 pip move on the way up here. So pretty clean range. And then on the way down, you've got a very clean range, right? Coming down towards, I would say, 73 there. So back down towards 73. So we'll see. That's basically where we're at now. We're kind of just trading in this range. It looks like we have created support. If you do break above, buys should be good to play out. You know, 4 hours still has a lot of room to go here. Boom. Yeah, but if we do close it below, then I think things are going to set up nicely here. All right, perfect. All right, sweet. Cool. So that's that. Where could I register for the competition? Hit exclamation point comp. Comp.
Was it like an eternal conversation? Yeah, pretty much DVP. I mean, it was more so a test to my, discipline and to my emotions, more like so my discipline to go against my trade or my system. But yeah, it was a test to my emotions as well. I had to just stick to my rules, right? I mean, it made me want to revenge trade and get back into the markets, but because of my rules and my discipline to follow my rules, I didn't. But that's really all it was a test of my emotions. But if you can handle your emotions, you'll be good.
What are your trading view settings? Here you go. You want to see my canvas or which one? Symbols. I'll go through them all and then you could just rewind the stream. Symbols. Status. Scales in line. I don't think I've ever done anything here. Canvas. Trading. And yeah, that's it.
Yeah, facts, Davey P.
That's it.
And some that always has helped me do is immediately replacing, just like you would replace a negative thought with a positive thought. You want to replace emotional thoughts with logical thoughts, right? And that's what I'll do in situations like that. Like if I get stopped out by 1 pip, my emotions like, oh my God, I need to get that back. Like get back in. And then I'll replace that with a logical thought. Like, no, that's not your setup, right? You have no data on that. If you get back in now, wait for something that you have data on. And then, that helps me be patient for something nice.
Yep. Hi Nick, I'm part of the competition. I was wondering what is the coupon for the 50% off? That's gonna be so next time you file your email through there. So whatever, let's say you're gonna buy a challenge now and you want the 50% off. Once you put your email in, it should register, and if it doesn't, just quickly message their support, and their support will apply it for you. Just tell them you're a part of the TTE competition, and they'll know exactly what's good. Collected 12 pips towards the challenge. Nice, nice. Oh, okay. Okay, so they'll email everyone a coupon code too. Okay, cool. But if you want to get the account now, you can just message their support and tell them like who you are and who you're with, and they'll apply it. Comp link is wanting $600. Close it and like reopen it, and then put TTE comp as the promo code. Comp. I feel like I've said that like 10 times today. But you got to, man. Some people, they come in a little later. They didn't hear the first time. I understand. All right, let's see. We got 9:30 coming in 8 minutes. Do I trade during news? Not really. If I'm in a trade already, that's one thing, but I typically, like even yesterday, like we knew those sells were coming yesterday from news, and yeah, didn't touch it. The discount code will only be valid for one challenge? Yes. That'd be lit though. Imagine you get 50% off on like every challenge for the rest of your life. All you gotta do is compete in the competition, man. I just need some help with my psychology. Closing too early. The trades I close early run. Just do what I did last time. Just go break even. If you need help in that area, let break even help you. So look, had that trade pushed down, you know, break even would have helped me there. Hold on to that whole trade. How long did it take me to pass challenges? I mean, I've taken a lot, so it's all different. But what was the other part of the question? How many did I burn through? That's one that I know the answer. I burned through probably like 25, 28, 30. About 13,000 worth of challenges, I would say. $13,000 for the learning curve, plus I would say maybe five or six like $500, $1,000 live accounts. Telling y'all, man, that's why when y'all give me excuses, Nick Stewart, I took a challenge and I failed it. I just can't take you serious. You know what I mean? I just can't relate.
And this game is not easy. Only the ones who are committed will win.
I don't know what to do. I don't even feel like myself anymore. Just calm down, buddy. Just calm down. Just relax. I blew so many accounts too. Woohoo!
Facts, Scott. Facts, bro. Why get tight about losing maybe $10,000 maybe your first year trading when
You can
I'm
make
talking
that
to
a trade.
people who are in college who are in debt, 100K in debt. So that's what you got to look at it. It's like you're paying tuition to learn
That's
how to
true.
trade.
That's true.
100%.
Yeah, it only cost me
That's how even
13 G's. Really?
even me today, still like I still think like I'm in college to trade. Like I'm learning how to trade. Like I'm always getting better.
It cost me about 20 G's to learn how to pull millions of dollars out of the markets over the next couple decades. It cost you 75 G's to get a degree in communication. Come on, man. It's just not adding up.
And then that's the other thing.
Now I
like
know
it
how to
might
talk to
take
people.
you may blow 20,000 in your first 2 years of trading, but you can make 20,000 in your back, right? In 1 month, you know? So you just got to stay committed to the skill set. And once you learn it, like you got this. Once it clicks, it clicks. That's when you start running up 20K months. Because if you can make $100 on the same trade, like you can make $10,000 on that same trade, right? So it's just being patient with your plan, patience with your capital. Yeah.
Yep, and I have made $10,000 on one trade. So, what is that 13 grand now? That was just one trade. I've taken probably 1,000 trades. I've probably taken, I mean, just this year alone, I've taken 109 winning trades, right? So you can get it right back. You know, you got to understand that. It may seem like you're down and out in the moment, but once you learn that skill set, let's say you lost 20 grand. At one point later down the road in your career, your average wins will be 20 grand. So you got to look at it like that too. You go to school, you have a big degree, you have this big debt, and you ain't making 10 G's that quick, right? It's going to take you at least a month to 2 months to make that. So trading is a very unique sport.
Facts, bro.
Scott, how's that degree? You guys even use your degrees? I heard there was a number, I think it was like less than half of people even use their degree. How many of you guys got degrees and you're not even working in that field? It's rough. It really is rough.
Every lost mistake is a massive lesson. Yes, 100%. And that's the power of your perspective on something, right? How come maybe me and Nick could take the same trade? We take a loss. I think I'm a failure and I want to quit. And he thinks, oh, wow, this is going to help me make millions in the future, right? Like that's the power of perspective. Like we can go do the same thing, but if one of us has a different perspective, one can empower one of us and one could devour us, right? One could destroy us. So that's the power of that perspective, man. It's key.
Yep.
Perspective is key.
Yeah, I should say how many people who live in the United States are using their degree. That's what I should say.
Probably like what, 20%? Maybe 5%.
Yeah. It's low. It's getting lower and lower.
Every person I've ever talked to that went to college is in debt. Even the teachers at my school.
Let's go, Scott. He's using that degree. TTE Uni. Ain't down. I'm an engineer and I have a frozen food business. Yeah.
Damn, Goldie, come on.
Goldie gonna
Give
close
us
at the
some.
top of the range or what? Or what? Yeah, AI is coming for basically all of our jobs. The only thing that's gonna survive AI is human interaction, right? Human encouragement and stuff. Yep. High five, buddy. You can't stay long enough. It's 9:30. You could say hi to hi to everyone, but it's 9:30, so you got to go. Say hello, everyone. My name is Maverick. I'm 2 years old, and I'm gonna be a champion.
Maverick, there's 1 minute until 9:30, buddy. Right now, no. Good, Maverick.
Get a good sleep. All right, we'll see how we get this closure here. Looks like we may close with no top wick.
Freaking gold. XAUUSD gold being so annoying.
Peace. You bringing the volume? All right. All right, Maverick says he's going to bring some volume here. Gold's going to close with no top wick on this candle. Interesting.
Hit it. Damn, bro.
No top wick on gold. So, okay. So no top wick on gold, no bottom wick yet. The 4 hours open. It's filling the wick here. This is where we're going to get a lot of volume coming in, so. Yeah, we may fall here. Nothing. Oh, been on a W. Yeah, we started the stream with that today. Is that everyone can make money, it's just only few can keep it. So we talked about that earlier on the stream today. I think you'll get a lot out of that if you rewatch the stream. So let's keep our bread. Yeah, you're gonna get lots of volume here, man. But
Nothing.
we're just in a tough spot. I used to rest assured though, Daniel, because I remember being at that point too, and I would have really good winnings all week, and then I'd hit the big loss on like a Friday or something. So it wasn't long after that profitability started really flowing for me. So you just got to figure out, what is it about that gets, what you're making money, but how are you losing money? And for me, it was just I began to participate a little bit too much. So when you get your winners, just get going. When you rob the bank, don't go back for more. No
Daniel, what do you
selling,
think?
no
Like, what do you think went? Like, how do you like? Why did you lose all your winnings? What do you think you did? Was it on one trade, or was it a series of trades where you over risking? Let's get down to the bottom of it. What can we work on? What can we improve on?
Something tells me that you take a loss towards the end of the week and you're like, nah, I was already up, blah, blah, blah. I'm not trying to go lower than that. Let me try and get one more trade in here to bring it back up. And then that's where the downfall happens. Correct me if I'm wrong, but let me know if that's the situation. Wags, it's your birthday?
Hey,
Let's go, W, man. Happy
are you
birthday.
serious? Happy birthday, brother. Let's get it.
Yeah, I remember doing that too. I'd be like, you know what? Screw it. We don't need this account anyway, man. I'm already down 3%. If it hits another 5%, I mean, it is what it is. Yeah, you don't want to do that. You don't want to do that.
All right, bet Daniel. We know the mistakes, right? So now we know what to not do. We know what to work on and improve on. So that's great.
Yep. Make sure to always do your own analysis. Unless you're like brand spanking new, always do your own analysis. There were times where I was watching Don or Raja and I had my analysis done and theirs was a little bit different than mine. And I made a choice. I wanted to listen to their reasoning behind it. And then once they gave me their reasoning, I either switched mine because I agreed or I left it. Because then I can't, put any blame on anyone outside of just probability. So keep that in mind, just always make sure you're using your analysis, not mine, right? Or someone else's.
Facts, bro.
Green is happy here today. Green so happy.
Green. Yo, Wags,
I
you doing
love when I
anything
see
cool
Green
today?
happy. Yeah, he's out here at the
Any
stream.
plans? Yeah, facts. Any plans for your birthday? Chilling?
Outside of the live stream, W, Daniel. You're on your way, brother. You're on your way. I'm proud of you, man. Way to stick it out a year. And I'm sure if you look back here today, compared to what you knew last year, that's where you can find the joy and that's where you can find the celebration. So just keep in mind, you know a lot more now than you did at a time before, and you're well equipped. There's no secrets. We already know what to do. It's just about doing them.
Sir.
Right. A good friend of mine asked me the other day, hey, what can I do, man? What can I do, to build more confidence and stuff? And it's a valid question, right? And the answer really is, man, you just got to keep the promises that you make to yourself. At the end of the day, I could believe in John all I want to, but if he says he's going to do something and doesn't do it, it doesn't matter how much I believe in him. His brain is going to keep telling him, nah, you're an excuse maker. Yeah, you said that last time. So you really got to nail it down and start really doing the things that you've promised. You know what you need to do, right? And now it's just about doing them. So that was my advice, was just to simply keep those promises and, just do, right?
Facts,
D-O. Just
That's
do.
facts. Facts.
Yeah, be impeccable with your word. Yep. We already have everything we need. There's no secret sauce. You know what I mean? We know what to do and what not to do. It's just about doing them. That's all.
Mm-hmm.
And you'll see this guy go on and make millions of dollars in his life because he's actually working with a mentor, He's actually asking questions, trying to figure this thing out. The Bible says when we take our own advice, we're taking advice from a fool. Right? And it's not that we are a fool. It's just that we have this emotional perspective on our situations in life. And that's why you need a second set of eyeballs on your circumstances and situations so that you can get feedback that isn't from your own. It isn't from an emotional state. It's from a third party, logical third point of view type of perspective, right? So mentorship, man. Mentorship.
Yep. Yes, sir. Need that.
All right, what are we doing here? So we got no top wick. We did get a bullish closure, though. It wouldn't surprise me if we popped here. There's a lot of volume coming in.
We got news at 10 too.
Best thing I can do here is wait on 9:15 and then see where that leaves us. That's 5 minutes left.
Hey, Wags, enjoy that steak, bro. Sounds amazing.
My man's eating steak. All right.
Hey,
Now we're talking, man. I'm gonna have a steak for your birthday too today, bro. Somebody stop GJ from flying. All right, can we have a good look at GJ? Let's just look. Should I even look? Yes, let's give it a look. GJ. Holy! Yo. Green, you still trading GJ? Oh my gosh. Yeah, I don't even want to trade GJ. I'm glad I looked. This doesn't look good at all.
gold doesn't look good either.
What's this daily candle, like 19 pips? Oh, damn. GJ. I think we stopped trading GJ. Oh my God, it's been a hot minute. We stopped trading GJ right around here. Somewhere around this time frame. Green. Don't do it, Nick. All right, we're going to add GJ back. No, big 15 closure coming up. And when I mean big, I mean big. That's what's up, man. Just hanging out for the vibes? Yeah, that's cool. Yeah, I would assume out of all you guys here, not everyone trades just like me. Yeah, out of 1,000 people is a lot of people. Should just... Yo, Wags, 34 lots for your birthday, man. Come on. Alright, I'll be right... How much time we got? 4 minutes? I'll be right back.
Go do some push-ups, bro. Pip and dippers, yeah. Happens. Yeah, chat, what am I gonna do, man, if I don't get a setup today? Someone tell me, what should I do if I don't get a setup? If my session ends and I don't get a setup, what should I do? Oh, nice, Alyssa. Don't move, gamble. Fuck, I like that. Yes, correct, energy. I'm gonna have a great day and I'm gonna move on to the next trade. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm not gonna force a trade. If a setup shows up, damn right, I'm gonna be in it, right? Because not only you have to be disciplined to stay out, but disciplined to get in. But if no setup shows up, then I'm gonna have a smile on my face the rest of the day with a positive attitude, because positive thoughts create positive life. And I'm gonna come back next session and look for the next best trade.
Really? I was gonna say just extend the session. Well, you know, normally I cut my cutoff times 10, but today.
All right, we're gonna stay till 1.
Yo, what up, Luca? Yes, sir. Of course I remember. I remember everybody. Everybody. I dodged a bullet today. That's my win. Oh, damn. Like, literally? Like, literally dodged a bullet? That's insane. Holy. I feel like sniping today.
Probably my
USD's back from that
9:45
storm.
is probably when I'm gonna call it.
Ding, ding. What time?
Let's go, Lewis G. 9:45, because we got news at 10.
Yeah, we do. Got news at 10 here. So we'll see. Maybe we'll close with no wick. That'll be 1, 2 in a row with no wick here. Bink, 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 bink. Bink always reminds me of Dennis Hood, man. Is Dennis Hood here? Dennis Hood. Snipe YOLO just for fun. We're gonna hit YOLO when he comes in. Mod got sniped? What? Bink reminds me of Sam. Yeah, Bink reminds me of Sam and for some reason Dennis Hood. Dennis Hood was always binking. Bink, bink, bink.
Think.
Clack. All right, 44 seconds here, and you're gonna get a closure. You haven't broke the 4-hour highs just yet. Oh, look at this, back in the range. Bye-bye, account. Just wish your accounts goodbye. Bink the like button. Facts.
Bye.
That's what I'm talking about. Where we at? 408. Hey, can we get 420. Can we get 80 likes here?
What a trash closure.
Sell XAU now. It looks like you literally you had that all typed up just for when like the minute rolled over to like 45. Like you had it all typed up and then you just waited for the candle to close up. Point. Sell it now. Nice one.
Damn. Goldie looks like trash.
You giving free setup live? Every day, brother. Monday through Friday. Yeah, this is nasty here, man. Might as well wait for the 1 hour closure here.
Wish we didn't have news at 10.
Yeah, we could still.
I mean,
maybe we can get
maybe it won't have that
like
crazy of an impact.
10, 15, yeah. It's just a speech, so it's not like we're getting data, numbers. We're just talking.
Yeah, facts.
Blah 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 blah.
Yeah.
Yeah, if you get a closure back below the range, then things may be valid here. Right, so your 4 hour high is sitting right here. As long as you don't break that and you actually close back below, then there's a chance that the 4 hour is done here. So it came up to the wick, but it's not going to break it. And then that's where you may see, candles close back in the range. This. But it looks like you're breaking it now. Yeah, I'm going to wait for news here.
Yes, sir.
Not the greatest price action here today. That's for sure. Just a bunch of choppiness. We got to the desk right here. 7 a.m. 7:30. Yeah, so it's just been a bunch of back and forth. Do I know where you can listen to the speech? I don't know, actually. Maybe I will go YouTube and just go to the live thingy-majiggy. And you should see it there somewhere. Or maybe not. I'm not sure if he's on Fox or... Yeah, there it goes. 4 hour highs. 89. Damn, sell gold. That guy was saying sell gold right now. Holy moly. No, just because it's not really a trash closure. It's a 15-minute closure, which is good, but we got news coming in here in 11 minutes, so I don't want to be involved over the next 11 minutes. Where has he gone? It's like that Homer Simpson or that Bart Simpson meme. It just starts going back and back and back in the bush. The more it goes up. Hey, what's up, Juan? You're welcome, man. Yeah, I guess you could listen on Bloomberg. Yep. Yeah, it is a 15-minute breakout. Yep. Yeah, this is good. Not bad. I just made a decision to wait for news here. Come 9:45. TT golf competition. Yo, that won't be. I don't know if I'd win that one. Can we do a trade? Yeah, you could do a trade. Got 17 pips on the buy. Nice, nice. Bro, sell or buy? Maybe take a sell. Maybe take a buy. Take a buy or a sell, whichever one you want. I am new. Does this mean you are in profit? I'm not in a trade right now. Yeah, take a sell. You know what? Maybe take a buy. Buy or sell. I mean, either or. You should be good. Price is either going up or down. Take both on full margin. Yep. I mean, that one guy said sell gold, sell gold, sell gold. So I guess we should have sold. Yeah, we haven't really wanted to go down, you know, off of that support here, so. But I want to see how news comes in, and then, or how things react to news, and then I'll take it from there. These questions are funny. Yeah, hey, imagine me. Stephen B. Half my profits came from news. Nice. Do a little news trade. Yeah, so that 4 hour did give us that bottom wick. I think one of the things maybe I think we could have, or I could have done, was just that entry was right here, right? So I think we had about 30 pips. Yeah, maybe could have closed some partials here. A little shy of the zone here, being that we had no bottom wick, but I'm still cool with that break-even trade. I think we had like another 12 or 13 pips to go. Yeah, 12. Dean's in the house. Time to get this cheddar. Chala, what you up to, bro? Chala, chala. Yeah, for those of you who are break even, hold on, man. We might go flying up here. This may push. There you go. There it is. That's where I would close some partials there if you're in. Can I use this strategy on the NASDAQ? You can. Yep. Just make sure you're very familiar with the NASDAQ, when it likes to move, when it likes to chill. And then, yeah, you could use this strategy. Anything, if you're analyzing the markets via candlesticks, you're good. Pushing, pushing, pushing. Two-thirds to my target. Nice. Let's go. Almost there. Learned from the stream. W stream, W community. Last 15 close above range. Why don't you buy? I already explained that. 5-minute time frame works better for this strategy on NAS. Oh, nice. Why didn't you follow old playbook? Missed buys for 70 pips because we're too over. In my opinion, we've been pushing up. The old playbook still calls that this is a bit overextended at that point. Yeah, our nearest support is way down here. Right, way down here. So gold is just rallying here today, which is nice. You just gotta appreciate it. Remember, gold's gonna do its thing. We just do our thing. That's it. When our thing lines up with what gold's thing is doing, then that's when we enter trades. Other than that, we just have fun watching. Tap that B before the push. Ooh. Happens. Where'd you get B? Damn. All right, here we go. 3 minutes. Tell him, Green. Yeah, I think now we're pushing up towards this daily high here, yeah. There was, based off the 30-minute time frame, there really wasn't any opportunity here anyway. 15 gave us this, but that's the 15. Before news, if there wasn't news here at 10 or Pal speaking, maybe I'd be interested here. But yeah, nothing on the 30 yet. Very sharp fade coming up. Sharp, sharp. Let's see how we do. Please buy or sell. I told you, buy or sell. Whichever one, it doesn't matter. Buy or sell. Exactly. Exactly. Buy or sell. I forgot about that guy. Yo, where's the guy who said sell gold with all the spam? That dude is in the bushes. Green, can you picture that dude right now?
Yeah.
The count's just dwindling and dwindling.
Bro, I just came back to the charts and what a juicer.
You hit sell when that guy told you to, or no?
Nah. Nah. But damn.
Homer Simpson vibes, dude.
Oh, where the hell did this come from? Crazy. Man said so.
How do you pop these picks up? There he is.
Where is he?
That's how he started. Hey, sell gold, everyone. Sell gold, sell gold, sell gold, sell gold. Sell gold. Sell Gold.
Maybe
Bye.
not.
And now he's here. Now he's here.
Hilarious.
All he had to do was replace the word sell with buy, and he could have been the most popular guy on this chat here today. Instead, he's in the bushes with Homer.
Hilarious.
He thought he could tell the future like The Simpsons. Yo. How you doing? He's about to get a little visit from Mo. Little Mo. All right, here comes our news event. Our grand old news event here. So it looks like we did tap daily, or almost tap daily targets here. 4 hour pushed up good. 1 hour, yeah, 1 hour's open. New 1 hour candle here. So we'll see how we do. We did not close above the resistance there at 85, but that doesn't really mean much. Yeah, I don't think there's anything. There's no trade. No trade right now. How do I withdraw from my demo account? For some reason, the button's not there. Homer. Homer. Yeah, man, there's no trade. No trade right now. Pal's gonna do his speech here. And then you got crude oil inventories coming in at 10:30. Trading on your demo is like my kids have these toys and they're all like food. It's like eating that food. You just can't get anything out of it. You're not gonna be able to withdraw, man. All right, I think I'm going to call it here, man. I don't see anything right now. So I would say probably 10:30 when crude oil inventories comes out. That's where there may be another move. Maybe even like 11 a.m. So within the next hour or so. But right now, I just don't see anything worth really taking, right? You got resistance right here, which is 9 pips from current price action. So yeah. Yeah, I think we'll call it here.
Yeah, bro.
We'll take it to the Discord.
All right, but.
All right.
All right. Hopefully we can get some later.
Hopefully, man. Hopefully. I'm not leaving.
All right, bet, bro. That's all. Give me a call later.
All right, cool.
All right, chat. Hope you guys have a good day. See you guys tomorrow. Peace. Peace, Nick.
Peace, brother. Later.
Peace.
All right, chat. I'll holla at y'all, man. Great session today. It was fun. We took what, 2 trades? 2 trades, 1 L, 1 BE. I think they were both good reads on the market, both good executions. And yeah, we'll come back tomorrow. We'll play the game all over again. We'll see what we can find, and that'll do it here for today. What song you guys want to hear on the way out? Anything? Anything good? Any recommendations on the list? I'm giving y'all a song recommendation. Not copyright songs. Yeah, oh yeah, that duh. Closer? Alright, cool. I don't think that one's copyright. Yeah, I don't think so. But yeah, I'll holla at you guys, man. Hope you guys have a great day. Enjoy it. Be great. And I'll see you guys in the Discord if I do take any more trades. Trade safe. Don't forget to use your stop loss. Don't over risk. Don't over trade. I'm out of here. Love y'all. Peace. Later.
closer, closer, closer than I ever been. Closer, closer, closer than I ever been. I just know we getting closer, 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 closer. I just know we getting closer, 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 closer than I ever been.
Yeah, I used to dream about showing the world what I dream about. Forget a mic, my whole life I thought it'd be the mount. I guess it's fitting how life threw me the curveball. Pops told me work till you make it, man, then work more. I guess I took that to heart, cause I've been working harder now than I did at the start. And I won't stop till I get to the top, till I can give all of my fam all the things that they want. But there ain't no doubt I continue to be the doubted, but that's just motivating, so where would I be without it? Cause the same people asking why you're doing it will ask you how you did it. So fuck the critics, stay committed to your vision. They can't see it, it's yours. The top floor looks far when you can get in the doors, but it's crazy what you can see with your eyes closed. That's why I stay in my grind mode. I know I'm getting closer,
Closer, closer than I ever been. Closer, closer, closer than I ever been. I just know we're getting closer, 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 closer. I just know we're getting closer, 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 closer than I ever been.
My whole life's been a chase, it's a gift and a curse. Was on my way up to the top and slipped into reverse. And the same thing I thought killed me brought out the real me. That's real, see. You gotta find what you love and let it kill you. Just gotta live with the will like Uncle Phil do. Cause on the real, everybody go through times when the sun don't shine. Don't know when our time will come, but it will come in time. Cause yo, I said it first, ain't no telling where I'm headed. So this is for the people that was with me when I said it. And when I said it, I meant it, I swear I won't forget it. Told my family and my friends that I'm forever indebted. It's
Closer, closer, closer than I ever been. Closer, closer, closer than I ever been. I just know we're getting closer, 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 closer. I just know we're getting closer, 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 closer than I ever been.
You start losing your mind when you're gone all the time, and you always on the move. And you try to remind yourself it's gonna be fine, and you're hoping that it's true. You start losing your mind when you're gone all the time, and you're always on the move. And you try to remind yourself it's gonna be fine, and you're hoping that it's true. But I know we're getting closer,
Closer, closer than I ever been. Closer, closer, closer than I ever been. I just know we're getting closer, 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 closer. I just know we're getting closer, 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 closer than I ever been. I just know we're getting closer.
Yeah, this all God, this ain't no lie. Yeah, I used to be stuck in that mud. Whoa. Yeah, I was down, but now I'm up, 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 up. I was down, but now I'm up. Yeah, this all God, this ain't no lie. Yeah, I used to be stuck in that mud. Yeah, yeah, I was down, but now I'm up, 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 up. I was down, but now I'm up like my name Lazarus. No Satan gon' be mad at this. I had to ask my dad if it's okay to swing my bat at this. He said, boy, if I picture this out of the park, moving so quick it's like they stuck in park. They see the numbers, but I see the heart. 10,000 hours you spit in the dark, putting in good work, even though you didn't even know that it would work. Talking about a man who grew up in woodwork, do it for the love of it, that's the way it should work, yeah, yeah. I know some people gon' look at me crazy and I'm like, for what? Man, I was stuck, I was down, but now I'm up. Yeah, this all God, this ain't no love. Yeah, I used to be stuck in that mud. Yeah, yeah, I was down, but now I'm up, 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 up. I was down, but now I'm
down, now I'm up like a seesaw. When I'm on a beat like an old man's lawn, better keep off. From the ground to the treetops, got clouds on my feet like Jack in the Beanstalk. Jumped off quick, went straight in a free fall. Cowboy hat and a mic singing yeehaw. Landed on my feet like a feline, put him back in the seat like a recline. Ay, what you mean I'm not worthy? Did it with a purpose, didn't need a permit. Digging from the bottom and I brought it to the surface. Mind your business now, who I worship. Who the little guy making big, big, big moves. Tick tock, turn it to a tick, 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 boom. Yeah, I talk a lot of stuff, probably thought it was a bluff, till I went and turned it where?
I was down, but now I'm up, up.
Let's go.